my dreams. Are you ready to learn?
Yeah!
For me, sharing is, what we need to share is, number one, is success. Everybody say success. Some other people would say, Doc, wala pa akong success status. Nagsisimula pa lang ako. Paano ko i-share to? Regardless of your stature within global, bago ka pa lang, lupa ka pa lang, you tell your story. You tell your success. Paano yun? Kunwari, sa mga downlines mo, partner, nakarecruit ako ng isa, nag one head. You share it. Partner, nakarecruit ako ng isa, nag 3 heads. You share it. Partner, nakarecruit ako ng 7 heads. You share that kind of success. Whether small or big, at any rate, you share it towards other people. It may be your downlines, it may be your crosslines, but one important thing is you share them. Why? Later you will understand. Apart from sharing success, it's not just enough that the great news will be the one flowing in the network side. It's also good to share the hardships. Everybody say hardships.
Hardship.
Yung mga pinagdadaanan ng hirap, i-share mo rin. Apply. In-Indian ako kanina, hindi dumating. Apply. Nangako, magsi 7 heads. 1 week na wala pa rin. Apply. Sabi nga, may papasok daw na malaking grupo, wala naman pala. Apply. Leader daw na utangan pa ako. Pamilyar o hindi pamilyar? You voice it out. You share even the hardships that you're experiencing in this business. You ask me why? Pag hindi mo shinare yan, mapupuno yung dibdib mo ng hardships. One day, puputok yan. Pag pumutok yan, quit ka na. Tama o tama? Pero, pag sinishare mo yan, pag nire-release mo yan kay upline, unti-unti nawawala. Unti-unti nakaka-get over ka if you share those hardships that you're encountering in this business. But there's this golden rule. Never share your hardships sa downline mo. You share your hardship kanino?
Upline.
Kay upline. Why? Golden rule, when you feel happy, when you feel successful, kahit 1 pay yan, kahit isang direct referral bonus, kahit isang bonus galing sa CardioPulse, you share it to everyone. But if you're feeling those hardships in this business, you share it with your upline. Ask me why?
Why?
Because your uplines know the right answer. Sasabihin ng uplines mo, huwag kang mag-alala, pinagdaanan ko din yan. Huwag kang mag-alala, it's normal to business. Everybody say normal.
Normal.
It's normal to business. Lahat mo ng negosyante nakaka-experience ng hardships. Pag hindi ka naka-experience ng hardships, hindi ka negosyante. Kung yung mga empleyado nga nakaka-experience ng hardships negosyante pa kaya? Tama o tama?
Tama.
I can clearly remember when our top 1 distributor, Joseph Lim, went to Cebu. Nagpunta siya ng Cebu. Meron akong picture na nakita sa Facebook, nagpa-flyering siya sa isang university. Can you imagine our top earner earning millions per month, nagpa-flyering pa? It means, nakaka-experience din siya ng hardships. Tama o tama?
Tama.
But for those people who are already entrepreneurs, but for those people who have already achieved a level of success, for them, it's normal. Normal lang ang hardships in life. So it's okay to share. Pag nahihirapan ka, sabihin mo kay upline. Pag nahihirapan ka, tawagan mo si upline. I-PM mo sa Facebook, i-WeChat mo. Why? Your uplines know how to motivate you. How to put you on track. You keep on sharing your success to each and everyone you knew. You keep on sharing your hardships to your upline. You also need to share your attitude. Everybody say attitude.
Attitude.
You can be saying to your upline, bad trip ako dun sa kaibigan ko, hindi dumating. Hindi ko na siya papansinin. Iko-correct ka ni upline mo. Huwag ka ma-bad trip. It's just part of business. Hanap ka ng ibang taong mag-yes sa'yo. Because if you won't share your attitude, you might be saying, baka tama yung nararamdaman ko, acceptin ko na lang. Lahat ng iniimbitahan mo hindi dumarating, inaaway mo na. Hindi mo alam, mali pala yung ganung attitude. But if you have your uplines being shared with these wrong attitudes, they can easily rectify your mistakes. Yung perspective mo towards this kind of business, nako-correct niya. Bakit? Pinagdaanan na yan ng mga uplines. Pinagdaanan na yan ng marketing team. Pinagdaanan na yan ng training team. Pinagdaanan namin ng mga board of directors. We've been there. We've done it so many times and we're able to make it successful. So you share your attitude. Kung nalulungkot ka, kung masaya ka, kung pakiramdam mo mali o tama yung nagawa mo, make them your sounding board. Apply, may ginawa ko ganito eh. Pumunta ako sa ganitong lugar, nag-flyering ako, tapos ang nangyari, lima lang yung nag-reply. So ang sama ng loob ko doon sa 5 kasi isang araw ako nag-flyering. Sabi ng apply mo, mali yung ganung attitude. Whether 1 or 5 or 100 and dumating, you should be happy. Am I right?
Yes.
Why? Because we are in a business of transforming people's lives. Ang daming nasa labas, hindi nila alam kung paano mababago buhay. Tama o tama? Pero ikaw, nasa in-global ka na. Gagawin mo lang ng tama yung negosyo, i-correct lang ng tama yung attitude mo. And if you're able to do those two important things, you're on the right track. So keep on sharing your success, no matter how big or small that is. You keep on sharing the hardships. You keep on sharing your attitude. So those two things can be rectified by those mentors of yours. R stands for results. Nakabili ka ng mini iPad because of InGlobal, you share mo. Sabihin mo sa mga kaibigan mo, partner, nakabili ako ng iPad dahil sa InGlobal. Nakabili ka ng damit, nakabili ka ng lakos, nakabili ka ng sapatos, nakabili ka ng cellphone, whatever. Nakapunta ka ng Singapore, nakapunta ka ng Hong Kong, nakapunta ka ng Boracay, ng Palawan, you share it with your friends. Why? So that your friends will know there's something different happening to you. And if there's something different that are happening to you, they will become curious. Am I right?
Yes.
And if they will become curious, they will be interested. If your downlines will see, uy, si Apply nakabili ng bagong cellphone dahil sa InGlobal. Uy, si Apply nakapunta na Singapore dahil sa InGlobal. Uy, si Apply nag-qualify sa Macau. Sa tingin mo yung downlines, mamomotivate hindi?
Ma-motivate.
Mamotivate. Huwag mong sasarilinin yung resulta. You show it towards other people. You share it towards other people one way or another to inspire them, to motivate them. E, because if you will do that, share your success, share the hardships, share the attitude, share the results. Lastly, the E, you would also share empowerment. You're empowering your group to do the right thing. You're empowering your group to have the right attitude towards hardships. You're empowering your group, you're motivating them, you're inspiring them so that they would grow their group no matter what. Everybody say, no matter what.
No matter what.
Sa Tagalog, kahit ano pang mangyari. Mahirapan ka man. Di ba narinig mo yung mga testimonies kanina? Hirap na hirap, walang pinag-aralan, OFW, barker sa jeep, different sorts of people from different profession in different parts of the Philippines, each suffering more or less similar hardships in life. And they began sharing it to their families. They began sharing it to their group. Because once you share this, guys, it will empower you. It will empower yourself. It will also empower your group. And then sooner or later, you will realize, upon sharing regularly these things, your group will grow. Tama o tama?
Tama.
So whenever you feel down, whenever you feel low, whenever the income is low, what will you do? Kapag nahihirapan ka na. Kapag minsan si upline ayaw mag-reply, busy. Kapag yung downline mo, dinedma ka. Kapag yung grupo mo parang hindi umaanda, what will you do with the business? If you want miracles to happen, if you want to help somebody with their health, Narinig mo yung testimony ni attorney? What will you do?
Share.
Share the products. Share the business. Share the good words of AIM Global. Because no matter what, once you start sharing what you have heard in this event, once you started sharing the results that you have seen from crosslines, from other uplines, from other groups, once you've seen the empowerment that this event will make in their entire organization, your life will dramatically improve. Because sharing is a good thing. Sabi ni Barney, sharing is good. Even kids know that sharing is good. So no matter what happens to your life, no matter what happens to your business, you may be achieving the success of the top earners. You may be a starting distributor from this very day. One important thing that you need to do. Ano yun?
Share.
I want to hear you say it loud. Share. Share the products. Share the vision. Share the business. Share the reviews. Share it global. Not only in the Philippines, not only in Cebu, not only in Bohol, not only in Davao, not only in other countries, share it globally. Narinig mo yung testimony kanina ni Miriam? Sinare niya online. Online. And because she shared it online from an OFW in Hong Kong, she was able to retire, build a house, buy his dream car, build a house for his mom, simply because she shared. Are you willing to share? Willing to share? Success is on the way. Success is on the way. You will be the next success story. Your stories will be shared, not only in this event. Your stories will be heard, not only in this country. Your stories will be shared in Nigeria, in Africa, in Dubai, in Hong Kong, in all parts of the world. Your story will be shared. And how important is that? You may not notice, but you're actually empowering somebody. Somebody who feels weak, somebody who feels depressed, somebody who's almost losing it, somebody who's about to quit, somebody who's about to forget about his dreams. Pero narinig niya yung sharing mo. And because of that sharing, she was able to turn it around 360 degrees and start all over again. And this time, with the right success story, with the right hardships in life, with the right attitude, with the right results, empowering each and every one. Ladies and gentlemen, I encourage you to share. Share all of the things that you're seeing right now. Share all of the things that you're experiencing. Just one day, just one day, your stories will not only be a shared story, your story will be a legend at AIM Global.